Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to another episode of DIY videos from Angler Mickey. Okay, so for today's video, we are going to modify the length of the crossbar. So as you can see, the length is too long for our car. So what I'm planning to do is to reduce around 5 inches from both ends, and we are going to apply the same length on the back end crossbar as well. Alright guys, so now we're going to start cutting this crossbar using this hacksaw. Okay, so I measured 5 inches from the end of this crossbar, and we're going to do the same thing on the other end of the crossbar. Alright, so now let's start the cutting. Hello guys, welcome back. So now it's time to install the roof rack that we already cut the crossbar in. We have shortened the crossbar, actually 5 inches in both ends. Alright, so now I'll show you the basic tools that we're going to be needing in installing this crossbar. We have this measuring tape, Allen wrench, and also this leveling tool. Okay, and we have also this clean cloth also to wipe the surface to make it clean. All right, so basically we have this smart kit that we have purchased separately. Okay, they call this kit K803. Okay, it comes with the 4 rubber base and 4 clamps. And by the way, the kit model is specifically for this type of vehicle, which is Kia Cerato 2015 model. Alright, so yeah, so now let's install the front crossbar first. Okay, and by the way, this crossbar, it's a Prorack model. It's T17, Prorack T17 model. Let's install first the clamp, okay, and the rubber base. Okay, let's insert like that. Okay, so I have already cleaned the surface using the clean cloth. Okay, so now next will be putting this clamp. Let's remove this screw. Okay, so we can insert this clamp and put it back the screw using this tool. Okay. So let's open. Okay, please make sure you have inserted this clamp firmly under the door frame before tightening the screws. And also this screw on the top. Okay, so you have to loosen the screw by using this Allen wrench. Then by pressing into it, you can slide it forward and backward depending on the required distance from the end of the crossbar. Okay. Alright guys, after making sure the distance is already perfect and both end will be on the same size, now let's tighten all the bolts, especially this bolt. We need to tighten this one. Okay, that's it. And after that, let's put in the cover and lock it. Very sturdy. Okay. Alright, so same procedure we're going to do on the back crossbar. Alright.